Hello ma'am, I'm Vinay M R. I'm from Kolar, Karnataka. I'm from ECU background from Dayanand Sagar University, which is in Bangalore, Karnataka.
What were your childhood dreams and aspirations?
As a kid, I was hoping to become a cricketer. Till graduation, I didn't decide to go for embedded systems. When I came to Emertxe, like it felt this is my career path I want to choose, which is making me excited.
Why did you choose embedded systems and why did you join Emertxe?
I was studying in Dayanand Sagar. Like I chose different concepts, extra subjects. So there, I didn't feel that it's like I studied wireless more. Then it didn't give me that excited. When I joined Emertxe, like I was working more hours. I didn't know like it gave me sudden interest, which is not known for me. Like I was working extra. I didn't know. Like I was working 3 hours for a project continuously. So as unknown only, I got deep into it. I came to know my friend, like he got someone suggested him, and then he suggested to me. Like I came for Emertxe, then for reviewing how it's going on, how the process is going to work in Emertxe. Then I liked that process.
What was the hardest part you faced when you started learning this program?
First, if we think some problem solution, then everything gonna work out, because as a coders we know how the code works and everything, how the flow should work. We should figure it out. As first, if we find that solution, everything works as easily. Start of C, like I didn't know any programming language until I entered Embedded. At start of C, I was feeling little bit difficult. I was getting too much confused. Staff suggested like some days gave extra solution problems to solve out, extra time to give out. Then daily I started working out for some 2 to 3 hours extra. Then it gave me confidence and it started gave me like skills to solve some new problems when suddenly occurred during some tests or everything in classes.
Was there a time you felt like giving up? What kept you motivated?
The time of MC, I started like I was little bit weak in hardware. I was going, this is not good for me. This is not going to go well for me. Then suddenly, like I started working more, stayed until 7 in Emertxe. Started working more and more. Then I came to like suddenly I'm improving more and more compared to in class. Also, I was like going too much good enough. In projects also, I was solving too much fast. Then I came to like it's all about the hard work I can give to it. It's not about unsolved. It's about how we are interested in it. That's it.
How did you overcome this stage?
The easy solutions was not going for my head. Then I started reaching out to staff. Then I started like regularly meeting them. Then they suggested some solutions, some techniques. Then it changed. Staff's guidance changed my way of thinking towards the problem. Mentors started suggesting some problem solutions. These guidance gave me some different kind of way thinking towards the problem. Then felt like I'm an embedded professional. Then I started figuring out some fast solution. Then I came efficient way.
How did Emertxe's course structure help you understand complex topics and projects?
They'll give you time to understand about the project. Then they'll ask to do the first step. What is the first step? Which is like start the project. Then some small step will be there. Then we have to perform this particular part by part. Then at the end of the day, at the end of the some time, like will be completed by project. That's the biggest thing we had in Emertxe.
At what point did you start to feel confident that you have become industry ready?
I cannot automotive project, which is like in whole Emertxe, no one has did that project in total Emertxe. That's like when I was doing that project, my friends was like, "Oh, no one has done that project. Why you are doing that?" Like I was like, "Okay, no one has done that. Let's start it with where I'm getting excited with this project, because like normal projects I'm not getting that interest." Okay, I chose that project. When that I was doing that project, mentors started guiding me. Like it gave interest for them also. Like this guy is doing some different. Let's guide him. Let's make him perfect. Then I started doing that project. I did fast enough. They were even mentors was not thinking that I will do that fast enough. I did it in some week enough. I completed that project. That's the biggest thing I did. Then I'm ready enough.
How did projects shape your understanding of embedded systems?
I've done like these CAN node automotive only. I was like this CAN protocol I was not getting much. When I did that project, I was getting the receiving part. I was losing that particular content over there. Then I got to know after 3 days that simple missing was making the project delay. Then that made me project. Then I understood like project is the biggest thing that makes us professional over there. In C, I've done 5 projects, which is like first basic address book and steganography and lexical analyzer, MP3 tag reader, source to HTML. In MC, I've done 3 projects: car black box, pick to light, and CAN node automotive. In LI, I've done only 1 project. In DS, I've done 2 projects, which is like inverted search and APC.
Did assignments and projects influence your interview performance?
We'll be practicing some lot of problems, but when we are practicing about assignments and classworks, then we'll go with like some specific thinking way. Like it will be so really more related to about thinking about the concept only. When we are thinking about like some extra problems in online sites or everything, it's going to be mixture of some different topics. When we were dealing with the concepts of assignments, it will be full corely related to that particular specific topic, which will make useful of doing projects. When we will get complete understanding over that topic. When we complete that assignments, will be like thorough over the topic.
What was your reaction when you first heard about getting the Siemens opportunity?
I attended like with more confidence. Like first interview was Chelsea. I gave it best. It felt me like I gave my best. Somehow I'm lacking somewhere. I have to learn that basic part. That is non-technical part. I am ready with technical part. I have to be ready with non-technical part. So if Siemens comes, I'm not going with easily. I'm going to give that 10 of best. I'm not losing starting only. I'm going to get 99%. With 1%, if I'm losing, I'm not losing at start. I'm losing at end only. That was my confidence. I gave it my best. It worked out.
Any lessons during your course that helped you during your interviews?
All the students will be having this technical skills. Like we'll be going too much high level. When we are competing with each other, we will be competing each other. But the basic we'll forget is like any problem if we are getting, we should think from the basic only. We will go directly high concept. Like we will performing. Why it's not working? That the thing is like we haven't checked out basic concepts only. There it will be going wrong. Though that's the basic skill I learned in diamonds.
What advice would you give to beginners aspiring in embedded systems who feel uncertain?
Don't trust about other things like other distractions. We will lose. We won't get placed. Those things you don't worry about that. If you have knowledge, if you have technical things and ready, if you have ready enough to give any interviews, if you have worked hard enough here, you'll get placed no matter what. Whatever the time it takes, you can get within the short duration only. It delays because only of our mistakes only. Nothing stops us. Like if we correct our mistakes as soon as enough, we're going to get placed as soon as enough.
How was your interview experience, including any challenges or setbacks?
Total 4 rounds. First, starting from institute only, they'll conduct by company side, they'll conduct some programming tests and aptitude tests. After that, they're going to conduct an online technical round, which is going to be more technical over there. After that, they'll call for client place, which is going to be 1 technical round and 1 managerial round. You have to be thorough enough in technical. They're going to test more in technical there in client place. After that, they are not expect only technical from you. They are going to ask about managerial there, which is going to be non-technical. You have to answer in such a way that's the frame of sentence. You should be impressing them. That impressing, if it is not there as a technical, whichever best you have given, it's not going to work out there.
What does securing a job at Siemens mean to you looking back on your journey?
I can survive in this path anywhere. If I go any company, any matter, whichever the place I can go, I can survive there. Because like before graduation, I was looking for only 3 LPA before less company. Anyhow, I don't have that skill. When I started with Emertxe, like then I came to know we will get that inner feeling while learning. We are more than this.
What's the one do and one don't you advise anyone succeed in their career?
Do is like, no matter what, keep going. It's the do. Don't is like, don't think you are not enough.